Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad you came in to join me to craft with me. This is the last Mojo tag of the series. And the last tag is Christmas. Do whatever you like to do for Christmas. Just make your Christmas tag. And also make your tag and be ready to gift it to somebody. So make your tag and gift it as a Christmas gift. Give it to a co-worker, give it to an aunt, give it to whoever you want to, but make the tag to gift. So I already cut it out. I'm going to use a wooden tag this month, and I already cut out my paper that I want to lay on my tag. Now I got to find my glue. I'm into my Christmas crafting, and this tag, I saw a video a while back by Anna's Handmade Creations. I think it was Anna's Handmade Creations. Anna, if you watch my videos, you'll have to let me know. But I'm going to give Anna credit for this one because I think this is where I saw it on Anna's channel. I'm going to use some hot glue here because my other glue is not working. So I'm going to try to fix this tag on with a little hot glue. So anyway, I saw Anna a while back had gone to a class, I think it was, and she had, if I can recall, and she had done something similar. She had done something like this in a class, and I saw it, and I had bought some trees for Christmas to use in a vignette box and some other things. And I thought I would try that tag that Anna did. So, that glue didn't stick anything down. Goodness gracious, I forgot to put it around the edge. Okay, so I got that down. Whenever I'm ready to glue something down, you know what? Hot glue is hot. I hate to say that. Hot glue is hot. Okay, let me get moving. So I got that. This says happy everything. So this is my Christmas tag. So I can't have a Christmas tag for myself without my traditional colors of red and green and stuff like that. Because I like the traditional colors. I do. I do like the traditional colors for the red and the green. So, hope everybody's having a good time. I hope everybody's getting their Christmas crafting on. I had like 15 cards to make, and I'm 4 or 5 cards away from it. I'm going to do a project share so you can kind of see what I've been about with my Christmas tag making. My Christmas card making. Hope everybody's getting their cards and whatever Christmas crafting you're doing. I have a few other Christmas projects that I'll come on and craft with me and share to get that done. I told a friend that I would make her some coasters. So that's the only thing about hot glue. It's not that friendly. Okay, so I think I got all my layers on the way I want them. And the part that was with Anna's tag is, she had one of these trees. So with my tree, I cut the back down from the tree. I'm hoping this hot glue doesn't get all over my hands here. Ooh, smoking. I hope it doesn't get all over my hands and burn me up here. You know how hot glue does. Hope it doesn't melt my whole tree. So let me get this down here. Whoa, that's hot. You probably see the steam coming off this tree here. So let me hold this down just a little bit to make sure that it gets stuck down. I'm hoping I put enough glue on it to stick it down. I'm gonna do that a little bit. I'll fluff it back up. Oh, glue stuck on my hand, so it must have went through. So I will punch it down a little bit, try to fluff it back up. So anyway, I've been doing my Christmas crafting. Had the opportunity to just kind of get all immersed in it and get a lot of stuff done, you know, a lot of my cards done. Got all immersed in it, got a lot of my cards done. I want to put these presents. Gotta have some presents under the tree. And last night I got to watch one of my favorite Christmas movies, which is it's a movie that one of my favorite Christmas movies I watched last night. I stayed up quite late watching it. It's a movie by what's her name was in it? Her name, oh, Vanessa Williams was in it. It's the movie where she's like Scrooge, but she's, instead of being Ebenezer Scrooge, she's Ebony Scrooge. And she was like a singer. Just a horrible person. Boy, that's one of my favorite holiday movies that I like to watch when that comes on. I like to watch that one. So it turned out to be really nice. I stayed up a little bit later and watched it and enjoyed it. Had a good time watching it and enjoying it. How you like my project so far? Tell me what you think. And if you got one of these trees, go ahead and make one for yourself. Make one of these tags for yourself, because I'm planning on gifting this tag as part of a Christmas gift. So I'm planning on gifting it. Don't you hate that? When you touch hot glue, oh my goodness, and you burn your hand off? Oh, ooh, I can't put that on there now. Ooh, you burn your hand off of hot glue. Oh, hot glue. So let me get these balls in the tree. Now, I hope these guys don't melt off, because they're nothing but, what you call it? I'll stick some balls in here in my tree. Ooh. Hope do you see that smoke rising from my little tree? Ooh, tree. So I had to drop it now that my hand been burned one time. Once your hand get burned one time with hot glue, you be all cautious. You know, you start out not so cautious. You be like, oh, okay. Let me just put a little glue on it. Once your hand get burned, you be like, ooh, my hand's burned. But anyway, let me stop being too silly with that. But let me get these stuck down in there. Stick them all around. Stick that one right there. I thought I had a star I wanted to put on it too, but I gotta try to figure out where I put that star. I wanted, oh, let me put my glue gun down for a second, because I wanted this. Wait, I might have to trim some of these down. I think I wanted this. Nope, I'm not liking it there. Ooh. Oh man, I know I want some more holly, but I got this all over it. Stick that back there. And, okay, I needed some more branches down at the bottom. Let me, hope this cuts. Okay, I'm gonna cut that. Put some glue on it. Stick it down at the bottom here. See, I'm all scared of the glue now. I'm hoping this looks really good. I'm liking the way it's looking, but now that I'm all afraid of the glue. Okay, get up there like that. See that film? Okay. Gotta make sure I'm on camera with it. I'm hoping the person that I give this tag to really likes it. And I want to stick this up here because this is my final monthly mojo tag. And if you joined in with me making any other tags, thank you very much. I enjoyed making them because it means I had to get my creative self going. Oh, I'm liking, tell me if you're liking the way it looks so far. I think it looks pretty cool. What else do I need? I need some red berries. Need some red berries. I think I want red berries right in there. I want the red berries right in there. There we go, with the red berries right there. I think oh, I got glue all over. I'm gonna have to be careful and pick all the glue off. But I'm thinking I like the way it looks. I like it. I might put another, this right there. Do I need anything else? Let me put my glue gun down right there. Let me lift it up a little bit and give it a glance. Oh, I like the way it looks. My tree may be a tad bit, well, stuck down there now. I think I like the way it looks. Tell me what you think. Do you like the way it looks? It's nice and full. Nice presents. Do I have any more berries? So I like the berries. I think I want those right there. Let me see. Nope. I think I got enough stuff on here. Now I just need to put my ribbon on. Put my ribbon on. I don't have my hole puncher with me right now, so I'm gonna have to punch my hole like that. And I want the ribbon that says Merry Christmas. I want to put a lot of ribbon. This ribbon says Merry Christmas, and it came from Dollar Tree. Came from Dollar Tree. So I'm hoping everybody's having a good crafting time. If you haven't crafted in a while, if you haven't done any crafting, go ahead and make yourself one of these, the last monthly mojo tag for the series. This is the last one. Make the last one. Don't forget to gift it. Don't save it. Plan on gifting it to somebody. And there you are. There is this month's monthly mojo tag. Let's move all the stuff. Forgive my thing. Let's bring it down so you can see it. Straighten up the camera there. Tell me what you think. I think she looks lovely. All right, my friends, I'll talk to you soon. Oh, wait. That's true. I made two of them. I made this one. Let me show you the other one. So I have two of them to gift. So there they are. So this is the one I made with you. This is the one I made before. So take your time. Go out, make yourself some tags. Pass them on to your friends. These are the this is the final monthly mojo tag. Thank you for joining me for the series. I had a great time doing it. I'm trying to think of a new series because having a series for me keeps me going and makes sure that I have to come down and craft and I have to do something each month that keeps my creative juices going. If I think of something, I hope you would join me. Also, if you like my monthly mojo, if you like the final monthly mojo Christmas tag and what I did on the tag, please give me a thumbs up. And I do think it was Honest Handmade Creations who showed a tag similar to this that she did in a class. Thank you, Anna, for the inspiration. Also, if you like what I did, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're coming by here and you like what I'm doing and you're enjoying my content, press that subscribers button. And I'll talk to you soon in the next video. Be the reason somebody smile. And please enjoy the Christmas season. And I'll see you in my next video. I got other craft videos that are coming up. So check me out. Talk to you soon. Bye now.